Hi everyone, today we will be discussing the third problem of exercise 5.3. Okay, so the third problem is in an AP you have subdivision as first one, given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50 and you have to find N and Sn. So for that we will just start with what is AN is equal to 50. What is AN? According to the formula, it is A plus N minus 1 into D, which is given to be 50. Replace your values which are given. 5 plus N minus 1 into D is 3 is equal to 50. So you will have 3 into N minus 1 is equal to 50 minus 5, which is 45. And N minus 1 will be, this is 3 into N minus 1. N minus 1 will be 45 by 3, which is equal to 15, and so N is equal to 16. So your one answer is N equal to 16. Now you need to find out what is Sn equal to. For Sn you have the formula N by 2 into. Since you know the last term and the first term, you can use the formula Sn equal to N by 2 into A plus An. What is N? 16. So it is 16 by 2 into A, 5 plus An is 50. So you'll get 8 into 55, which is how much you'll get? 440. Okay. Next, second subdivision is A is equal to 7 is given, A13 35, and you have to find out D and S13. Okay, for that we will start with what is A13 given as 35, and A13 means A plus N minus 1 into D. N as 13 here. You can get N as 13 here since the suffix is 13. So you get A plus 13 minus 1 into D is equal to 35. And what is A given as 7? So 7 plus 12D is equal to 35, or 12D is equal to 35 minus 7, which is 28. So 12D is equal to 28, and D is equal to 28 by 12, which is 7 by 3. Okay, now you have to find out what is Sn equal to. For that you can start with Sn is equal to N by 2 into, again you have first and last term. Because your N is given to be 13, you can use this. Okay, A plus An. So S13 will be 13 by 2 into A plus A30. 13 by 2 into A is 7 plus A13 is 35. Okay, so 7 plus 35 will give you how much? 42. So 13 into 42 by 2 will give you 13 into 21, and 13 into 21 is 273. So this is your S13. Okay. Next, third subdivision is given A 12 is 37, D is 3, find A and S12. Okay, so we'll start with A12 equal to 37. A12 equal to 37 will give you A plus 12 minus 1 into D is equal to 37, which is A you don't know, so it is A itself. This will become 11 into what is D? 3 is equal to 37. So that A plus 33 is equal to 37, or A is equal to 37 minus 33 is equal to, what you will get here? A as 4. Okay, 37 minus 33 equal to 4. That is your A. Now you have to find out S12. For that, S12 is equal to 12 by 2. What is Sn? Again you can use, A12 is given and A you have got. So you can use your formula. Sn is equal to, what is that? N by 2 into A plus An. So S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into A plus A12. What is this? 6 into A is 4 plus A12 is 37. So it is 6 into 41, and this is your 246. Okay. Next, fourth one is given A3 is equal to 15, S10 equal to 125. You have to find D and A10. Okay, so we'll start with what is given. A3 is 15 means what? A plus 2D is 15. Okay, now S10 is 125. S10, what is S10 means what? You have S done as 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1, which is 9. I can write 9d is equal to 125. Okay, so I'm just simplifying this. This will give you 5. So 5 into 2a plus 9d is equal to 125, or 2a plus 9d is equal to 125 by 5, which is 25. Okay, so let it be your equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. Now again, you have to solve these two equations in order to find a and d, because you want d, and in order to find out a, then you need a also. Okay, so what we will do is we will just make the coefficient of one of them equal. So it is easy to make the first equations as 2a, so that you will get second equation is as such, which is 2a plus 9d equal to 25, and first equation when multiplied with 2 will give you 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. Okay, now the coefficient of a are equal. That means you can use your elimination method, that is subtract both the equations, and you will get here as 9 minus 4, 5d is equal to minus 5. So you will have d is equal to minus 1. Now you got d. Now what you need to do, you have to actually find out a10. a10 is a plus 9d. So that you have to first find what is a. Okay, for that we can use any of the equations which is easy for you. So I am just using in equation number 1 the value of d and finding out what is a. Okay, so a plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15, which will give you a minus 2 is equal to 15, or a is equal to 17. Now we can go for what is a10. So a10 is a plus 9d. Replace the values. A is 17 plus 9 into d is what? Minus 1. So that you are getting 17 minus 9, which is 8. Okay, so your a10 is 8. Fifth one is, given d is equal to 5, s9 equal to 75, find a and a9. So from s9 we will start. S9 means it is 9 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. N is 9. So you get 9 minus 1 into d, which is 5, is equal to 75. Okay. So 2a plus, this is 8 into 5, is equal to, I am just taking 9 by 2 to the other side. So you will get 75 into 2 by 9. Okay. So this will get cancelled. You will get 25 and 3 here. That means this became 50 by 3. Here you have 2a plus 40 is equal to. So what is 2a is equal to 50 by 3 minus 40. Taking the LCM, we will get 50 minus 120, which is equal to how much you will get? 50 minus 120 will give you 70. Okay, minus 70 by 3 will be your. Okay, minus 70 by 3 will be your 2a. Now what you want? A is equal to, what is that? 70 by 3 into 2 in the denominator, so that it will get cancelled and you will get minus 35 by 3 as your a. Now what you need to find out, so one thing is over a. Now you want a9. What is a9? a9 is a plus 9 minus 1 into d. 9 minus 1 will give you 80. Okay, what is a? Minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into d is 5. So you get minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Again taking the LCM, you will get minus 35. Here it will be 120, and 120 minus 35 will give you 85 by 3. Okay, so your a9 is 85 by 3. Okay, next one is sixth one. Given a is equal to 2, d is equal to 8, sn equal to 19, find n and an. We will start with sn equal to 90. Okay, what is sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 90. Replace which value you know? N by 2 into a is 2 plus n minus 1 into d is 8 is equal to 90. Okay, so now you can just see you have a common thing in the bracket, inside the bracket, which is, that is 2 you can take out, right? Why we are taking out 2? You can take out 4 also, but we have to just cancel it, so that we are just taking out 2. Remaining will be here 2 plus 4. This will become 4 into n minus 1, right? Equal to 90. So that you are getting n into 2 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 90, or this will become n into 4n minus 2 is equal to 90. That means you will get a quadratic equation in n. Here it is 4n square minus 2n, and this can be taken this side so that it is minus 90 equal to 0. Now you have again something in common that can be cancelled, which will give you 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in n. That means a is equal to 2 here, b is minus 1, and c is equal to minus 45. Okay, this a should not be misunderstood with this a. This is only for solution of the quadratic equation. Okay, so n is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Replacing the values, what you will get? Minus b, which is minus of minus 1. So you get 1 plus or minus root of b square will give you 1, and minus of, but you have c to be negative, so it will become plus, and it is 4 into 2 into 45. So 4 into 2 into 45 means 45 into 8. 45 into 8 will give you 360. Okay, divided by 2a. A is again 2, so you will get denominator as 4. Okay, and this will give you 1 plus or minus, this is root of 361. What is 361's root? It is 19. So you will have 1 plus or minus 19 by 4. Got it? Which is either 1 plus 19 by 4 or 1 minus 19 by 4. So 1 plus 19 by 4 will give you 20 by 4, which is 5. Or you will get minus 18 by 4, which is minus 9 by 2. Now what is n? N is the number of terms. Okay, so it cannot be a fraction. Therefore you will choose n as only 5. Therefore n equal to 5 is admissible since n is number of terms. Okay, now when you got your n, you can find out what is an equal to. An is a5. Okay, and a5 will be a plus 4d, which is equal to a plus, a is what? How much? 2. So it is 2 plus 4 into d is 8. Okay, now it is 2 plus, how much you will get? 2 plus 32, so you will get 34. Okay, so your a5 is 34. Okay. Seventh subdivision is a is equal to 8 given, an equal to 62, and sn equal to 210. So we will just start with what is given. Okay, an equal to 62 means a plus n minus 1 into d is given to be 62. What is a? 8. So 8 plus n minus 1 into d is 62. So n minus 1 into d is 62 minus 8, which is 54. So you are getting n minus 1 into d as 54. Let it be here. Why? Because we will just see what we are getting for Sn equal to. Okay. Now Sn equal to 210 means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 210. Now you can just see n minus 1 into d value you have as 54, and here you have n minus 1 into d, so that we can replace that value in order to avoid that d. Okay, because n will be there here in this place. So n by 2 into 2a will give you 2 into 8 plus n minus 1 into d can be written as 54 is equal to 210. So you get n by 2 into 16 plus 54 is equal to 210. That means n by 2, and this will become into 70 is equal to 210. N by 2 is equal to 210 divided by 70, so that you will get it to be 3. So n is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So you got what is n is equal to. Now you can just replace that value of n here in order to find out what is d equal to. Okay, so substituting n equal to 6 in this equation. So here you can write from 1 you have substituted this as 54, and here you can just write in equation number 1 you are substituting, so that this will become 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 54. That is 5d is equal to 54, or d is equal to 54 by 5. Okay. 8th subdivision is given an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, sn equal to minus 14. You have to find n and a. So first we will go for what is an equal to 4 giving you. So you will get a plus n minus 1 into d is 4. You know what is d, replace it. So a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4, or you will get a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4, that is a plus 2n is equal to 4, that will give you how much you get 6. So that you are just finding out what is a in terms of n. Now why? In order to just replace in Sn. Okay. Now Sn is equal to minus 14 means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 14. N by 2 into 2a. A's value which we have found out will be replaced here. So it will be minus 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 into what is d? 2. Okay, equal to minus 14. Now this 2 can be taken to that side and we will simplify this. N into this will give you 12 minus 4n plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28 it will become. Okay, that is n into 12 minus 2, 10, minus 4n plus 2n minus 2n is equal to minus 28, so that you are getting 10n minus 2n square plus 28 equal to 0, or 2n square, making this positive, we are taking a negative out and cancelling it 2 out. So you get this as negative, this again as negative. So it is 2n square minus 10n minus 28 equals 0. Now you have something in common 2 that can be cancelled again. So you will get n square minus 5n minus, this will give you 14 equal to 0. Now you can use your splitting the middle term, so that you can use your minus 7 and 2, which will give as your multiplication as minus 14 and the sum as minus 5. Okay, so n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. These two will give you n into n minus 7. Here you will get 2 in common, 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. So that n minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. Or else you can just say what is n equal to 7 or minus 2. And since n is again number of terms, only 7 is admissible, negative you cannot take. Therefore, n is equal to 2. Okay. Therefore, n is equal to, 7 will be chosen as your value of n. And now in your this equation, which is used in this one, you will just replace the value of n equal to 7, so that this will become a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7, which is equal to 6 minus 14, which is equal to minus 8. So a is equal to 8. Okay. Subdivision 9 is given a equal to 3, n equal to 8 and s equal to 192. Find d. Now s equal to 192 means, since n is given to be 8, this is s 8. Okay. So what is given? S is 8 is given to be 192. Now according to the formula you have n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So that n can be replaced with 8, right? Equal to 192. N is 8 by 2 into 2a is 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d. D you don't know, equal to 192. So that this is 4 into 6 plus 7d is equal to 192. 6 plus 7d is equal to 192 by 4, which you will be getting as how much? 48. Okay. So 7d is equal to 48 minus 6, or you can say it is 42, that is 7d equal to 42, or d is equal to 42 by 7, which is 6. So your value of d is 6. Okay. 10th problem is given L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144, and there are total 9 terms. You have to find A. So since they are giving that there are 9 terms, this is your S9 and this is your A9. Okay, what is given? S is 144 means it is S9 is 144, and L is equal to 28 means A9 is equal to 28. Okay, so S9 means what? It is 9 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 will give you again 9 minus 1 into d is equal to 144. That is 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8d is equal to 144, or 2a plus 8d is equal to 144 by 9 into 2, this will give you 16 into 2, which is 32. So you are getting 2a plus 8d is equal to 32. One equation. Okay, another equation we will go for a9 equal to 28, which is a plus 8d equal to 28. Again, you have to solve these two. We will just multiply this equation into 2. So this equation into 2 will give you 2a plus 16d is equal to 56. Now this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and we will just solve them. Okay, 2a plus 8d is equal to 32 and 2a plus 16d is equal to 56. Subtracting the 2, that is your elimination method you are using, and you are getting 8 minus 16, which is minus 8d, equal to 32 minus 56 will give you minus 24. Okay, so that your d is minus 24 by minus 8 equal to 3. So now you got the value of d, but the question is to find a. So in order to find out a, you can use your a9 equal to 28. That is a plus 8d equal to 28 you have. There you can replace your value of, put d equal to 3 in a plus 8d equal to 28. So that you will get a plus 8 into 3 is equal to 28, or a plus 24 is equal to 28. That is a is equal to 28 minus 24. That is 4. So the value of a is 4. Okay.